Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to talk about building the legacy, building something that you are going to leave for your kids and for your grandchildren. Sometimes people, they realize that what they are building is for their kids, is for their grandchildren, while they see the product, while the house is done. And some of us, we made mistakes through that journey, trying to build the legacy, trying to build something that even your grandchildren will live in. So guys, in today's video I want to talk about that. So from foundation, I think we have to make a stronger foundation, because if foundation is not strong, which means the whole building is not strong, because most of the people that are building, they are building for the legacy. They are building something that they will live forever in it, or they are building a house where they want to see themselves happy in it. So guys, the foundation must be strong, and make sure you spend a lot for a foundation, because you want something that is strong. And if the house is not strong, if the foundation is not strong, the house is also not strong, and you end up spending a lot trying to rebuild something that is strong. You rather spend once on that foundation. Then when it comes to walls, we have to build walls that make sure they don't crack, and they will never fall. In whichever circumstances that they come across, they will never fall. So in building, guys, you have to sacrifice. That's why another thing that we need to do as parents, or as people that want to build a legacy for our kids, first thing, you have to budget. There is no one, guys, who started the building without a budget. You have to budget so that everything that you are doing is going to be strong, and you are going to do it once and for all. So budgeting is the first step. You have to budget. Maybe you can budget for a year or 2 years, depending on how you want to budget and when you want to go and build your something that you will live in happily and peacefully. So guys, the third thing is, guys, choose material that is stronger. Choose material that is strong, so that the building will last for years. The building will be used by your grandchildren. Don't use cheap material for building, because that thing it costs a lot. It costs you to start again in few years coming, because sometimes look at this year, we had a lot of rains. So there was lot of rain. So some of the houses were demolished by the rain. So you have to spend once and for all. Finish with building. That's why the most important thing is to budget. You can start with your budget. One day, guys, I will tell you how we budgeted for building our own house. So I will tell you when did we start budgeting, and it cost us years to build, to budget, because we wanted something strong, something that we will live in happily, something that our kids and our grandchildren will live in. Sometimes being stingy and want to have change, and sometimes you don't want to spend more. Yes, you cannot spend more in windows, doors, and furniture and what, but the structure, you have to spend more so that it can become strong, so that it can become very strong for you until you die. So there will be no need to rebuild some of the things, another house for you to stay, because things happened, guys. Things happen. You have to build a structure that is strong for your a generation to come. So one day, guys, I'll make a video and show you how many years did we take to build our own house. It was not easy. It was not a easy journey, but we did it. We tried small. We started small. Guys, most of the time, as people, we want to start big. You have to start small. You have to start. If you want to start big, it's okay. As long as your salary allows you that, it's cool. You can do that. You can do that. But for us, other people, we can't afford. So we start small, and we spend years. But knowing that one day you will achieve your goal. Guys, please, if you want to build a legacy and you want to leave something strong for your children, you want to leave something strong for your grandchildren, or that will be seen by other people, or your grandchildren, you must budget and build a stronger structure. Never use cheaper material on building a structure. On building a structure, you must never use cheaper material. You must never use cheaper cement on foundation or what. You have to sacrifice on those things. Yes, it's very expensive, but you know that you are building forever. You will never, ever demolish your house and start again. That's why it's another 30 thing, guys. You must build something that you like, something that will make you happy, something that you will enjoy living in it. So when you are choosing a plan, you must choose a plan that will make you happy, the plan that will give you peace, the plan that that will make you feel like a king inside. So guys, choosing a plan is very important, because we don't want to see you when you're next door is building a mansion. Then the end of the day, you are feeling so sorry of yourself. You start again. Sometimes you're no longer working. Sometimes you are old. You are a pensioner. So guys, please choose a plan, something that you like, something that you want to live in peaceful, something that you will enjoy coming out of it in the morning, watching the sunrise. Please, guys, choose your plan. Choose the plan that you like. Choose the plan that will make you happy and that will give you peace, guys. And if you choose the correct plan, something that you like, you will build that thing. You will build a strong structure. You are building a legacy. You are building something that your grandchildren will enjoy living in. Because those are the mistakes that we do as people. We want to build cheapest structure. You can save everywhere. There are things that you can save from, like windows, doors, material, like events. You can save from furniture, yeah. But the structure, you must spend, because you are not building something that you are going to demolish sooner. You are building a structure. You are building a legacy, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Keep on watching. I'll be traveling soon. And I'm taking you where I'm going, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Keep on subscribing. Support the channel. Subscribing is for free. It's for free. Guys, bye-bye. See you on my next video. Love you.